Alright, hey guys, what's up? This is Diego, Take It Life. Alright, so I'm gonna be talking here about a few things. So we want to talk about the top 5 tips for making money on YouTube. And here we have just my channel. So whenever I log in, I go to. So if I'm going to here. Actually, you'll be clicking on to the right, top right here, and you're gonna go to your account here, your studio, YouTube studio. So, anyways, this is my homepage here. Shows me the subscriber, shows me how much I've made here, shows me all types of analytics here for my channel. One thing I wanted to talk about was just so y'all can see what I'm not trying to hide nothing or whatever, so I can see how much I've been making lately. This is let's see, 28 days. I've made almost $600, or let's just go back to December here. December was a good month here, so we're at 663, and we're just basically making the money there. Okay. This is my viewers that I've had every day. I'm sorry, hold on, subscribers. Here we go. This is subscribers that are every day. Have more and more subscribers and whatnot. And I want to show you how to kind of grow this. The first thing is my channel is all about repairs and reviews and whatnot, stuff like that. I don't really recommend. I don't really do blogs or none of that stuff. But that's not my style. I think that videos like this, the informative videos, are the ones that people always tend to go back and go, take a look at that. When I see, let's see if I can find here. Let's go back to analytics. No, something went wrong. Okay. When I see this, here we go. So the views, we start seeing how many views are done here. There's more views in my channel than there would be in a regular blog channel for my amount of subscribers. So that means that a lot of subscribers that are not subscribed to me will be watching my channel, and they'll basically play it over and over again. Which is pretty cool. Because technically speaking, you don't get paid for the subscribers, you get paid for the views. You get paid for how much time, how many ads are in your videos here. So yeah, that's what my first tip is going to say, always go with something that's informative here. So these are my top videos here: how to this, how to fix that, how to fix this, but yada yada yada. That's my first tip right there. My second tip would be when you're making the videos here, you want to use keywords that's one, that's a common word that people search for. Two, that's kind of like a catchword. Here I put like fix Honda, it goes into limp mode, and then I put VSA. A lot of people actually search for that. They look for that stuff. LED strips, testing, or Vizio Smartcast. Those are just keywords that people will be looking for, and when they search for that, they'll get your video there. Let's see that, and then my next tip, my number 3 tip, would be going along with this is the thumbnails here. Let me go to my videos and show y'all here. So almost all my recent videos here have thumbnails. That just kind of catch an eye, or they catch your eye whenever you're looking at it. Sometimes I try not to overdo it, but this is how I've been doing it lately. Excuse me. So anyways, yeah, this goes to show all my videos I'm doing here. Number 4 tip would be, I'm sorry, let me go back here. So I use Thumbnail Maker for Android. I use my phone most of the time to take video here, but I use Thumbnail Maker, and it's pretty good. That's where I get all these nice little colorful thumbnails here. My fourth tip would be use social media to share your stuff here. I like it because social media is easy, it's fast, it's free. Here you go. Don't forget to go to my page here. It's fast, easy, free, and you can always post whatever you want or whatnot, and then you can share it with your friends, and they share it, and yada yada, which is pretty cool. Last one would be always follow up on comments that some may not be nice. Let me show you here some comments here. Okay, and not all of them that I get are nice. Let's see here. Okay, this guy. He says, "Dude, we can't barely hear what you're saying because that music is louder than your voice." Okay, in this case, I'll say, "Okay, let me get a thumbs up," and then I put reply, and I put, "Thanks for the feedback." I reply, and what this actually does is this engages you with the viewer here. You know, the fact that you're putting something there, he might actually go back into the video, he might watch it again or not, but that engages you with that video, and this video now begins to have more interaction. You know, the likes, he might like your feedback or whatnot, but it just engages you more into it, and it pushes more the algorithm of YouTube to showcase your video more than if you didn't do it. So yeah. One thing that I wanted to show y'all here is I just recently started with Amazon Associates, and this is pretty cool because I kind of use my YouTube videos for this right here. So let me go to one of these videos here. Let's see here, or the tester one. The tester one was a good one here. Okay. Edit title and description. Okay, on the description here, I have here LED TV tester, and then notice I have an Amazon link there. Same thing with this camera as well too. So what this link actually does is it ties me into Amazon's database here, where I can kind of basically get money off of what people are buying. So the way that I'm last time I checked, it was whenever they click onto your link that you put on your video, whatever purchases that they've made within 24 hours of clicking on that link, you'll get a portion of that. And just to go to show here, I'll show you what I've pulled here. I mean, like I said, here's the money part, but I'm gonna show you the report. If I go to my ID here, I've sold so many of these already, or quite a few of these. These TV backlight tester or whatever. Let me see. This is only going to show me by the earnings, but I've made $31 selling that LED TV tester. I don't know what I clicked on, which is cool because $31 is $31 that I didn't have, and as my channel grows, so does this link, as far as people clicking on it. So which is cool because I'm making kind of like double money. So I'm getting paid for the advertisement on here, and then I'm also getting paid for whatever, you know, my portion is there. And that was just something that I just started. I think it was probably 2 months ago. So I want to say, let's see here, last year. Yeah, so I started back in August, and you can see how much I've been making lately. And it's not like I said, it's not a lot, but it's something. It's a little bit more than YouTube. I mean, more than I would have had in my pocket right now. So, anyways, I thought I'd just help y'all out, guys. Just if you're gonna start off new, just try to follow those 5 steps that I told y'all. So, you know, find the content that can be viewed multiple times. Use keywords that people may click on your channel, and then along with that, use a thumbnail to show a cool scene. Use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter to show your clips to families and friends, and always follow up on the comments, even though they may not be nice. You know, put a like, put a heart, reply back, whatnot. Interaction is the best way to keep your subscribers there. Other than that, y'all take care, guys, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Laters.